endure, endure. He endured the pain during the treatment. She endures the long work hours. They will endure the challenges ahead. Emerge, emerge. The truth emerged after the investigation. She emerges from the building. They will emerge as the winners. Evaluate, evaluate. The teacher evaluated the test results. She evaluates the progress of her students. They will evaluate the project next week. Encourage, encourage. She encouraged her friend to try again. He encourages his children to study hard. They will encourage new ideas in the meeting. Expand, expand. The company expanded its business last year. She expands her knowledge by reading. They will expand the office next month. Examine, examine. The doctor examined the patient. She examines the documents closely. They will examine the case next week. Establish, establish. They established a new school. She establishes good habits every day. We will establish new rules for the game. Emphasize, emphasize. The teacher emphasized the need to study. She emphasizes the importance of exercise. They will emphasize this point in the meeting. Enforce, enforce. The police enforced the new law. He enforces the rules at school. They will enforce the safety regulations. Encounter, encounter. She encountered a problem at work. He encounters new challenges every day. They will encounter difficulties on the trip.